Hello kids! Today we are drawing a mango. Let's start. First, I draw a rough sketch with a brown pencil. Then I outline it with a black marker. A mango is almost shaped like an egg. We will add long pointy leaves. Done! Time to color.
Baby colors.
The mango is ripe, so we will paint it wonderful orange. And the leaf with two different shades of green. Yay! Our yummy mango is ready. Bye-bye.